Hello guys, welcome to Green Academy. Let's discuss a question based on projection of line. The question is, a line PQ 60 mm long has one of its ends in HP and 30 mm in front of VP. If the line is inclined at 30 degree to HP and 45 degree to VP, draw its projections and find its traces. So it's a question about line. The name of the line is PQ. Its length is 60 mm. Its length is 60 mm. Yes, here length is 60 mm. And has one of its end in HP and 30 mm in front of VP. It got one of its end in HP. It's in the HP one end and 30 mm in front of VP. That means it's in the first quadrant. One of endpoint is in the first quadrant, that is one is in HP and 30 mm in front of VP. If the line is inclined at 30 degree to HP and 45 degree to VP, that means this is the case where the line is resting on the first quadrant and the line is inclined to both the planes, that is both HP and VP. So theta equal to 30 degree and phi is equal to 45 degree. Draw its projection and find its trace. Before starting any question based on projection of line, you have to draw a simple basic sketch. So what is the simple basic sketch? So this is a simple basic sketch. You have to understand this. Okay, this is XY line, and suppose the line is in first quadrant and it is inclined to both HP and VP. So it's some distance above A dash. It's the first endpoint. Suppose the line is AB and its A is some distance above XY line, above HP, and some distance in front of VP. Okay, we can spot the front view and top view of the endpoint A. And then what is the next step? The line is inclined to both HP and VP. You have to make the line parallel to VP and inclined to HP. So you will get a true length and you will get a top view, right? This is B1 dash and this is B1. So you got the location point. Okay, and the next step is you have to make the line parallel to HP and inclined to VP, and it will be the front view, top view will be in true length, and you will get a front view in reduced length. So this is the true length, and we got the location line. Okay, this is B2 and this is B2 dash. Okay, and this is true length, this is reduced length. This is the position when the line is parallel to VP and inclined at HP, and this is the position when the line is parallel to HP and inclined to VP. This is the front view, reduced length. So next step is you have to transfer this line here to here. This is our original position of the reduced length. Okay, this is B dash, and next this is your reduced length in the top view. So you have to transfer this line from here to here. So this is your original top view. This is B. Okay, this is the basic structure. You first understand this basic structure. You have to draw this basic structure. Okay, this angle is theta, this angle is phi, that is the true length makes with VP is phi, and the true length that is making with HP XY line is theta, and this is alpha, this is beta. Okay, then what is VT and HT? When you extend the front view, it will meet any point. That point is known as H dash. When you extend this top view, the original reduced length top view, it will meet a point in XY line, that is V. If you draw a perpendicular and find out the point where this line meets, that is VT, and here also draw a perpendicular from H dash and find out the point where it meets this line, that is HT. Before starting any question based on projection of line by line rotation method, this picture must be in your head, or you have to draw this picture anywhere in your question paper or answer sheet. So then you have to compare this basic structure, basic question with the given question. Okay, this is your basic structure of the line rotation method. Okay, in this question what is given? A line PQ 60 mm long, so true length is given, right? Here the true length is given, one true length is given, and one of its ends in HP and 30 mm in front of VP. So one of its ends, so it given position of A, whatever here P, so it's PQ, here it's given the position of P. Okay, if the line is inclined at 30, theta is given and phi is also given. Okay, draw its projection and find its traces. So these are the data it's given, so you have to compare with this basic figure. Okay, so how to start this figure, just how to start this answer. Okay, just first you have to draw the xy line. Is the length, the name of the line is PQ. Can you spot P? Okay, its P is given, that is one of its end is in HP and 30 mm in front of VP. One of its end is in HP. So suppose this is P is in HP, P dash, and this is in HP. That means it is in XY line. And 30 mm in front of this is 30. So this is P. This is top view and front view of the P. It's given. So we got the first point. Okay. And what is the first step? You have to make the line parallel to VP. You have to make the line parallel to VP, and you have to draw the front view and top view. This is the line when parallel to VP. This is the front view of the line when parallel to VP, and you have to draw the top view. Is the length of the line is given? Yes, length of the line is given. This is 60. And what about the angle theta? Yes, it's also given. So you have to take an angle 30. Like what is theta? 30 degree with HP, that is theta. So just draw a line and here measure 60 mm. Okay, suppose here it is 60 mm. Okay, we got this trace point or location point, right? This is 60 mm. This is our line PQ1 dash. So after drawing this line, you have to mark this location line. Okay, you got this line also. Then what about the front view? Draw the projection point, and this will be the top view. This is Q1. Step is make the line parallel to HP and draw the top view and front view. This is the position when line parallel to HP. This is true length, right? This is true length, and this is the front view when line is parallel to HP. Is the true length is given? Yes, we know the true length, and also we also know the angle phi. Okay, here this is our end point. Take the angle. What is the phi? Phi is 45. Take 45 and draw a line and mark the true length. That is true length is 60 mm. Suppose 60 mm is coming here, 60 mm comes here. So you got this. This is our true length. That is 60 true length. This is also true length 60. So we got this point also. Trace point also. This is known as trace point or location point. Okay, so its front view will be in between the projection. So this is the projection line. So line is parallel to HP, right? And the line, one of the point is in the HP itself. So we will get the front view in XY line. So this is Q2 and this is Q2 dash. Okay, we got, so comparing with the basic figure, we got this line, that is the reduced length of top and front view. We also got this line, that is reduced length of the top view. We got this one and we got this one. So how to find out the original top and front view? Just transfer this line from here to here. So this is our location point or trace point. Just transfer this length. Just transfer this line. So we got this point. This is our Q dash, original front view. And what about this original top view? Just transfer this line here to here, from here to this line. take measurement and just transfer. It will meet this point, and this is our Q, PQ. So we got our front view and top view, and draw its projection. This is our projection, and find its traces. So what is traces? This is our XY line. Just extend the front view wherever it's meet the XY line, that is H dash. So here it meets the point P itself meet the XY line, that is H dash. And if you drop the perpendicular from the H dash and find out the point where it's meet the top view, so here this is the HT itself, because the top view P dash itself is H dash and P is HT. And after, how to find out the point V and vertical trace? Just extend this reduced length top view, reduced length of the top view. This is V, and drop a perpendicular. So this is the line from front view. This is VT. Okay, this is VT. We got projection, and we also identify the horizontal trace and vertical trace. Let's draw this solution. So this is our XY line. First mark the point P. This is in HP and 30 mm in front of VP. So this is our 30 mm in front of VP and HP. This is our point P, and this is 30 mm in front of VP. That means this is our P. This is P dash, and this is P dash, and this is P. Okay, and 30, and the what is the true length? True length is 60 mm. And what about theta? Theta is 30 degree and phi is 45 degree. So you have to mark 30 degree first. So take the 30 degree from XY line. This is 30 degree. Just draw a line. This is our 30 degree. Our true length will be in this line. So line first you have to make the line parallel to HVP. So this true length, you will get the true length in the front view. So what is the true length? This is 60 mm. Mark the 60 mm here. This is 60 mm. We got the point Q1 dash. So this is our trace point, location point. And we will get, this is our projection line. Our top view will be in between. So this is our top view. This is Q1. This is Q1 prime or Q1 dash. And what is the next step? Next is you have to make the line parallel to parallel to HP. So what is the angle that makes with VP? That is phi. This is 45 degree. So just measure 45 degree here. 45. Okay, 45. This is your true length. What about true length? It's 60 mm. So mark 60 mm. This is our 60 mm. And this is our trace point or location point, trace mark or location line. Its front view will be in between the projection line, right? This is the projection line. So what about the front view? The line is one of its end is lying at HP itself. So its front view, the line is in the HP itself. Okay, this is its front view. This is Q2 dash. This is Q2. Okay, we got the reduced length of the front view and reduced length of the top view. So you have to transfer this both the reduced length to this location point or trace point. Just take the compass. Okay, transfer the line here and here also. Can you see that? So take this length. You have to transfer this length from here to here. Okay, this is our point. When you connect this line, it will be in a straight line, right? See, it is in a straight line. Okay, this is our front view. This is q dash, and this is the top view. This is q. Okay, what about traces? When you extend the front view, find out the point at which the front view meets the xy line. That will be h dash, right? So this is here the p dash itself in the hp, so it will meet here. This is h dash, and this is horizontal trace. Then you have to extend the top view. Find out the point where this top view meets xy line, that's your v, and drop a perpendicular from that point. Okay, find out the point at which the top view extended front view meets this perpendicular, that is here. This is your vertical trace. Okay, so we completed the projection of line. Next is dimensioning is very important. So here, what are the dimension? Yes, this is the one point, this length. So mark this is 30 mm, right? 30 mm, mark 30 here, and we know this length, right? This length is 60 mm. Okay, we know this length, this is 60 mm. Just cut an arc like, okay, and markers are 60. Likewise, this also 60 mm. From here to this length is also 60 mm. This from here to here. Okay, so this is R60, and we know this angle. What about this angle? This angle is 30 degree, and what about this angle? This angle 5 is 45 degree. 5 is 45 degree. You have to measure this VT and distance. So if you want to find out alpha, this is your alpha, and this is your beta. Just measure the angle and draw a box and write the angle here. And what about the VT? VVT, find out the distance, this length VVT, and h dash ht, measure this length here and also makes in a box. Okay, this is the solution of this question. Okay, thank you.